I'm John.
And I'm James.
We're the Lunchbox Boys today with the newest episode from the Lunchbox to the Toolbox, where we will be reviewing Larry the Cable Guy brand potato chips. Get her done. Alright, we have three different kinds today. We have cheeseburger, fried dill pickle, and buffalo wing. So let's go ahead and get it started.
Now if only you can open that bag.
Whoa, that's got a pickly smell to it.
Brings back memories. Wow, this is how much the bag is.
They were 99 cents a bag. So
Yeah.
we get you a handful, James. And we're gonna tear into it. Alright, ready?
They taste exactly like dill pickle.
I want to say an artificially flavored dill pickle.
Yeah.
Definitely an artificial flavor.
Go on our voice one.
The chip itself is almost like a Jay's. And you know Jay's slogan, right?
Nope.
Bet you can't eat just one. Now it's can't stop eating them. That's my slogan for women.
Well, you know. One to top, the one don't stop.
There you go. Now for the flavoring on the chip, it's losing points. For the consistency and the chip itself,
This is jam-packed with flavoring.
I am torn. I am going to give it a 3.
This is definitely for flavoring is 4.5. This thing is jam-packed with flavor. And the chips are not as crunchy, so they don't hurt your teeth. Or you get surprised one that goes up in between your gums. Real stuck.
Alright.
There you go. Dill pickles. We give it a
3 and a 4.5. Next up on the list, buffalo wing.
buffalo wings.
Wow. Got a different kind of smell to it. But I've eaten chicken and waffle potato chips, so
Those are good.
So I'll give it.
Oh, that went straight to the brain.
Told you. Now this one is like coated. This is coated.
Well, the other one was clear. This is obviously going to be orange. Once
The
again,
other one had-
loser points with me. 99 cents or not. Come on.
Come on, Larry.
I don't think Larry has anything to do with it. I think people.
You know what he would say? He'd say, "Lord, I apologize for that. The dear pygmies of New Guinea." All right.
Very artificial. Artificial. Spicy. But
Smoky.
not bad. Yeah, a little bit of smoky to it.
This tastes more like a barbecue potato chip than a
Yeah.
buffalo wing.
Spicy barbecue. I can't wait to try a cheeseburger.
3.5.
I'm going to also give this a 4.5. Oh, no. But come on. Come on.
Overall, 3.5.
Overall, it's 4.5.